In today's video, we will see how to find out sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. So we know that arithmetic progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So suppose a plus d, a plus 2d, etc. Nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our arithmetic progression, and we need to find sum of these terms, that is a plus d, plus third term a plus 2d, plus fourth term a plus 3d, etc. plus nth term we need to find out. So before going to the derivation of this, I'll take a simple example. We want to find out sum of first 10 natural numbers. So for that, we know that sum of first 10 natural numbers, I'll write S equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. I want to find out sum of this first 10 natural numbers. Instead of adding this, I can do in a shortcut. That is, now I am going to write these numbers in reverse order. That is 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now I will add this. Let this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. So S plus S is 2S. 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. So like that, when I add all these numbers, I will be getting 11, and we can see 11 is repeated 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one 10 plus 1 is again 11. So S I can write as 11 10 into 11, that is this 11 is repeated 10 times. So 10 into 11 divided by 2. Now we will take this example, how we will derive the formula to find out sum of first n terms of AP, keeping this example in your mind. And before that, the answer for this is 110 divided by 2, which is equal to 55. Now we will take this example, a plus d plus a plus 2d. The same way we will do, and we will derive the formula for sum of first n terms of AP. So we will write Sn, sum of first n terms of AP, that is a plus d plus a plus 2d, etc. Last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I am going to write in reverse order. Sn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus, next term will be a plus n minus 2 into d. Next term will be a plus n minus 3 into d, etc. Last term will be a plus d, and the last term will be a. Now let this be equation number 1. Let this be equation number 2. We are going to add Sn plus Sn is 2Sn. Now if you add this, that is a plus n minus 1 into d is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I have added this one and the first term from the second row. Next I am going to add a plus d and this one. So when you add a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, that is a plus a is 2a, again d plus nd minus 2d. So 2a plus nd minus d. d minus 2d is minus d. So this I can write again, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So next term will be 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again, when you add this one, a plus 2d and a plus n minus 3 into d, again you will get the same answer, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Like that, n terms are there. So I will be getting n times like this, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because in the previous example we have seen that 10 is repeated, 11 is repeated 10 times. Because we are finding the sum of first 10 natural number. Here we are finding the sum of first n terms. So this 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be repeated n times. So I have 2 times Sn is equal to n times I am having now 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we need to find sum of first n terms. So the 2 I will take to the other side. So it will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of term and d is the common difference. So this is the formula to find out sum of first n terms of AP. This n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is the number of terms, a is the first term and d is the common difference. So we know that sum of first n terms of AP, we have derived the formula now, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. From this we can derive one more formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into this 2a I can write as a plus a into n minus 1 into d. Now you can see Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus, and what is this a plus n minus 1 into d? This is the nth term of AP. So a plus nth term of AP, or I can write, if there are only n terms like a plus d, etc., last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So this I can replace as L, where L stands for last term. So a plus L. So otherwise I can write Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. If the last term is given, then this is the easy formula, n by 2 into first term plus last term, or n by 2 into a plus L. A is the first term and L is the last term. So we have studied two formulas to find out sum of first n terms of AP. First one is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and the second one, if the last term is given, then Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So if they are giving like this 2, 4, 6, etc., find the sum of first 100 terms or find the sum of first 20 terms, then you can use this formula. Whereas if they are giving like this, find the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. up to 100, and first term and the last term is given, then you can use this formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So thank you for watching my video.